and caribou. And today we're in the Eastbourne Brush, where we're studying the rhino flock. They don't have feathers and they can't fly, but through thousands of years of evolution, they have started to mimic the birds that share the same habitat as them. Well, after weeks and weeks of camp, we found one heavier than the rest. We were able to lure him towards our camp by throwing him candy and little dumplets of double dunker and other turkey-little treats. What you're about to see has never been seen before. Ever.